Lord, I want to choose a wife. Last night somebody asked me a question and I said, wait till I finish the teaching this morning. Say, does God choose for you or you choose yourself? There are people that believe that in the subject of choosing a wife, God shows you a lady and says, that is your wife. But the fact that he did it for one does not mean that that's the only method he uses for other people. I am very positive that there are people in their lifetime, if you pray for 30 years, you won't see a wife. Smith Wigglesworth went to a church and he said a lady came in, and the moment she came in, it saw like it was written on her forehead that is your wife. And that was how he picked a wife. Praise God for Smith Wigglesworth, but not everybody will be Smith Wigglesworth. Somebody said to me the other day, sir, the Lord chose for me who I do not want. The Lord chose for you? He said yes. You don't like her? He said yes. Every time you see her, you don't like her? He said yes. Go and tell God that Wale Olasoji said you should drop that woman.